Need to keep track of your earnings on Amazon? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to download your payment reports from Seller Central. First, log into your Amazon Seller Central account using your username and password. Once you're in, look for the payment option in the left menu. Under Payments, select Payment Repository from the drop-down. It will redirect you to the Payment Report repository, where you can select reports for standard orders, invoiced orders, or unified order reports. Now, select the date range for the report. After setting the date range, click Request Report. Your report will appear under the report list. It may take a little time to be downloadable. Click the Refresh button if it's not available. Once ready, click Download to save the report to your computer. Save the file or rename it if you wish to save it under a different name. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded your payment report. To recap, log in, navigate to Payments, select Payment Repository, choose your date range, request the report, and download it once ready. Keeping track of your payments is crucial for managing your business effectively. Here you can see the payment and charges received for each order ID. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more seller tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.